Okay, good evening, everyone. I think everyone has joined in, and you all can switch off your videos. We do not require your video during the class interaction. Agrim, you can switch off your video. Samruddhi, you all can switch off your video. We do not need your video during this all interaction. Nakshatra, you can also mute. Nakshatra, you can also stop your video. Sure. Let us begin with today's class and try to understand and welcome you down to the world of coding. So can someone please tell me what do they understand by the word coding? Any one of you who know what is the meaning of the word coding? You can unmute and answer. Anyone out of you can tell me what is coding? Okay, let me tell you what actually is coding. Like you and me are communicating with each other in a language that is known as English. Similarly, whenever we as humans need to communicate with a computer, any electrical or electronic device that is present in front of you, that is actually known as coding. Giving instruction to a computer, okay, telling computer to do something, that is actually known as coding. Is that correct? You all got the meaning of the word coding? Giving instruction, telling the computer to do something. Just try to understand, like you gave an instruction to turn on Zoom, that was a small little coding. So in front of you, you might be able to see these robots and these scrap pieces. Okay. So you might know that there are four major directions. Do you know all the four directions? Everyone knows? Okay, just see over here. There are four directions: north, south, east, and west. How to remember them? Your nose is on the top. So the north is also on the top. Correct? Your nose is on the top. So the north is also on the top. Very easy. Then you wear your shoes downwards. You wear your shoes down, yes or no? So the south is also downwards. You hold your pencil or your eraser in which hand? The right hand. Most of you might be a righty. So E for eraser. And if you all know these three directions, then you don't have to remember the west direction. The remaining one is the west direction. Is that okay for all? The nose is on the top, so the north is on the top. You wear your shoes down, so south is downwards. Now moving on further, the hand in which you hold your eraser, E, that is the east hand, and the one which is left is the west. W for west. Is that okay for all the participants? Please try to understand. Anyone has any doubts? You can unmute and ask. Agrim, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now let us try to solve this puzzle which is here. The puzzle in the starting is very easy. Try to understand how. You need to take this robot to this metal piece. You can see it's so easy that you need to go 1, 2, and 3. How many times? 3 times towards the east. See this? 1, 2, and 3. Click on run and check your answer. 1, 2, and 3. This was quite easy. But the code is actually very big. Can you see the code is so big? In computer science, your major motive is not only just to solve a problem. Solving a problem is one thing, but your major motive should be to solve the problem as fast as possible and in as small code as possible. Okay? Samriddhi, are you getting it better? The code should be very, very small. Okay? Like this is, I'm saying that this work, this task is correct. Samriddhi, the task has been done correctly. The coding is correct, beta. But actually, we can reduce the coding. Coding. How? Can you see this pink color block over here? Do you know what is the meaning of repeat? Can some of the kid tell me? Yes. Anyone out of you? Samriddhi. Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, you tell me. Tell me, Samriddhi.
Make it do again.
Very good. Correct answer. Actually, when we have to do something again and again, then that is known as what it is known as. Yes, tell me. Repeat. Doing anything again and again, one after the another, just one after the another. Let us do small activity and try to understand. If I say, raise your hand and bring it down, then I again tell you, raise your hand and bring it down. Then I again tell you, raise your hand and bring it down. How many times did I say this thing? 3 times, correct? So is it not better if I just simply take this pink color repeat block, and instead of doing this 3 times, Samriddhi, better if I can just simply take a east, because this is 3 times east, correct? If I can just do, are these similar? Are they giving the same impression? Same thought process? Yes or no? Agrim, can you also tell me better?
Yes.
Is the thought process the same? But did you notice one thing, Agrim, that this such a big task, I did by using a small code. What did I use? I used a repeat block. And when I used a repeat block, I made it how many times? 3 times. And in which direction? East direction. Perfect, beta. Samriddhi is also getting. So in the starting, the program is very easy, but in the class to come by, things will become a little bit tedious. So understand the basic clearly. So 1, 2, and 3. Let us now move forward and try to understand the next puzzle. Okay. Now, Samriddhi, can you tell me this answer? Actually, the major motive is, Samriddhi, that you need to collect both these pieces. You need to correct this piece also and this piece also. So can you tell me that how we can do it?
You have to move 2 steps of east.
Okay, 2 steps towards the east. Okay, very good.
And then 2 steps to south. And
Excellent.
then 1 step of east.
Okay. Can you make this answer small also, Samriddhi?
Yeah.
Okay, how?
We have to take repeat.
Okay, Samriddhi, can you just see over here? This has been done in 6 blocks, okay? You took 6 blocks to do it. So let us see how you can make small. Okay, you take repeat then.
And then you have to take 1 east.
Okay.
And then you'll take 1 more. No, wait. Yeah, you'll take 1 more repeat.
Okay.
And you'll put number 2.
Okay.
And then you'll put south.
Excellent then.
And then you will just put 1 east.
Okay. Samriddhi beta, but I have a doubt. Look, this also took 6 spaces, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This total have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Approximately, if you take this is the 6th one, you count this as 6. This is also counted, so this is 6. Are you getting it? So this is also 6, and this is also total 6. One when run is 1 block, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Correct? So I want to tell you one thing, Samriddhi. I can make it even more shorter. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
See this. I'm going to take a repeat block. See how many times? 1, 2, and 3, Samriddhi. Just see. 3 times east and Samriddhi after that. Can't we go 2 times towards the south? I solved the same puzzle. See, 1, 2, 3 east, 1 and 2 south. You got the point?
Yeah.
This is the logic, Samriddhi. This was just a starting logic. So we try to build as many logics as possible during the whole tenure. Okay, you got it? Now let us give Agrim, now it's your turn. Can you help me out in this one? Let's see how much you're able to grasp it.
East.
Okay.
east, west, north,
Mhm. Very good. Yeah.
north, south,
Okay. Which one after east?
south,
South. Okay.
south, north, north,
North. Okay.
south,
Okay.
north, south.
Should I run and show you? Yes, Agrim. Should I run it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See. East, south, north, south, north, south. Oh, something happened wrong. Can you think about it one more time, Agrim?
East,
Okay.
north,
East and then south or north?
south,
Okay. Okay, I'll help you. Don't worry. Just see over here. What are we going to do? This is the robot, and our question is to collect all these metal pieces. I think we have Tanmay with us. Are you able to hear me? We have a
Yes.
new participant with us.
yes, sir.
Okay. Let me just tell you how to do it. It should be one time towards the east. See this very carefully, Agrim. Then, beta, we will take one time south to go down towards your shoes. So, see over here, east, south. Now, then what will we do? East again. See this? And then south. If you want to see it again, then repeat and see east and then south. Just see this answer. Samriddhi, is this the correct answer? East, south, east, south, east, south. Agrim, did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
I did one east. Look, beta, just see over here one last time. East and then south. East and then south. East and then south. Now, Samriddhi, can you just tell me, is this the correct answer or can we make it small? Is there any way to make it shorter?
No.
No? Oh, okay, okay. Let me just help you and see if you can make it shorter or not. So everyone, this is the answer which you have given. Agrim has given and said that this is correct. Can you see something interesting over here? Can you see some type of a pattern? East, south, and east, south. There's a kid named as Tanmay who has just joined in. Are you able to hear me, beta? There's no response from you. It's the name is written over here is THANMAYEE. There's no response from you. Okay. Just see over here. This thing is repeated how many times? This pair. 1, 2, and 3. Yes or no? This is 3 times done. So can we do a magic? Yes, Samriddhi, can we do a magic? Can we simply take a repeat block and put this inside it and make it 3 times? Yes or no?
Yes.
How beautifully we have changed such a big answer to a small one. Agrim, did you get it? What did we do?
Yes, sir.
I had taken east, south, east, south, east, south. How many times? 3 times. So what did I do? I had put it inside a repeat block and see the beauty. East, south, east, south, east, south. I hope it's clear to you now. Okay. Are you ready, Samriddhi, for this one? Yes. Okay. Can you give me the correct answer for this?
As the long or short way, which one?
The shortest way possible. Because, Samriddhi, my answer to you for this question will be that in computer science, you can solve the same problem by many ways. You can solve it by many ways. But our major challenge in computer science is to solve the problem as quickly as possible and in lesser amount of code. Okay? Yeah. Can you give me the answer?
Repeat.
Okay. Mhm.
And then in the repeat, put east,
Okay.
and then change the number to 2,
Okay.
and then put another repeat,
Okay.
and then south.
Are you sure? See over here. I think something is wrong over here only. 2 times east, 2 times south.
Okay, then 3 times east, 3 times east.
3 times east. See over here. 1, 2, 3. 1 times south, 2 times south. Then still we are not able to collect all of them.
Okay. Then first it will be 1 time south,
1 times south. Okay.
3 time east,
3 times east. Okay. Very good answer. Can I take a repeat block and make it 3 times towards the east? Like
Yeah.
this. Okay. Then
and then 2 times south.
2 times towards the south. Okay.
Yeah, like that.
Let's see. 1 time south, 2 times east. Oh, that's correct answer. But Agrim, can you make it much shorter? Samriddhi has
Yeah.
given a correct answer, but can you make it short? Okay. How?
Repeat. Repeat.
Okay.
South. Again repeat. East.
How many times south?
2.
Are you sure?
Yes,
2
sir.
times south is this. 1 and 2.
3 times.
3 times. See this. 1, 2, and 3. South means to go down. This is north towards your nose on the top. South is downwards. East is this towards your hand in which you hold your eraser, and this is west. Then why are you going in the?
Yes, sir.
Okay, should I help you, Agrim?
Yes, sir.
Okay, better see over here. Don't worry. I have a small little magic. Can't we use the logic of going towards the east and south 3 times? See this. East, south, east, south, east and south. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Again, see. East, south, east, south, east, and south. Is that okay to you also, Samruddhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear to the beta, the kid whose name is Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta Tanmay, actually you are not replying, so I was not able to communicate with you since so long. Okay, are you able to hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanmay, I just wanted to tell you one thing. Before you came, we discussed about what is coding. So I think Samruddhi can tell you better. Samruddhi, can you just tell me what did I explain that what is coding? Any idea?
Sorry, sir. What did you say?
What is coding?
Coding?
Yeah, what is coding?
I can't hear you properly.
Beta, what is coding?
I still can't hear you. I can only hear some. I can't hear you properly.
Okay, 1 minute. Are others able to hear me properly? Can you please confirm?
Yes, sir. We can hear you properly.
Okay. Beta Samruddhi, I am asking you, what is coding? What is coding?
Coding, did you say?
Yeah. What is coding? Check your chat.
Oh, okay.
Any idea,
Coding.
Samruddhi? Mhm.
Coding is
Very good. Yeah. Like Samriddhi, I told you, like you and me are talking in English, correct? Similarly, when we have to talk to a computer or any electrical or electronic device, we call it as coding, correct? I told you. Giving instruction to any electrical or electronic device, giving instructions, instructing him, telling him some commands. So can you just see over here, Samruddhi? We are giving commands that, hey, you robot, go towards the east and then south, then east and south, then east and south. You want the robot to repeat the same pattern 3 times? Yes or no, Samruddhi?
Yes.
So that is known as coding. Tanmay, is it clear to you, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just communicating and actually giving instruction is basically known as coding. I request you, Tanmay, to please help me solve this puzzle. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
One time east.
Okay, 1 time east. 1 time means this much.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And 3 times south.
3 times south. But Tanmay, our major concern is to grab all these metal pieces. 1 east, 1, 2, 3. Why are you not taking them?
Sir, if you might help once more.
Yes, tell me. Very good.
2 times east.
Excellent answer.
2 times south.
Excellent answer.
And again 2 times south.
Again, 2 times south. Are you sure?
No, sir.
You mean like this?
No, sir.
Okay, then. See over here, you did 2 times east, 2 times south.
Again 2 times east.
Okay.
And again 2 times south.
Excellent answer, Samruddhi. Sorry, beta, Tanmay. Just see this. Can you see this? This is common. Can you see they are identical, Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
So can I just put this inside a big repeat block and make it 2 times? Yes or no? Because this is 1 time and this is 2 times. 2 photocopies are there. Is that okay to you, Agrim and Samruddhi?
Yes, sir.
How many photocopies are they? 2. So
Two.
how many times I have written over here? 2 times. So let us now run it and check. East, east, south, south. East, east, south, south. And can you see over here? There is how many times there is east? 2 times Nagrin, 2 times south, 2 times east, and 2 times south. So can I take a repeat and put it inside this and say 2 times Agrim, 2 times east, and then how many times south? 2 times south.
Yes,
How
sir.
brilliant! See this. 2 times east, 2 times south, and repeat the whole pattern. 2 times east and 2 times south. Any doubts, beta? Thanmay, any doubt, beta? Agrim?
No, sir.
Samruddhi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Nope, not.
Okay. Let us do the next one and try to understand if you're able to get it. Okay, Samruddhi, can you try this one now?
Okay.
Your answer should be very crystal clear. Okay, before we move forward, can you tell me what do you mean by the word algorithm? Have you heard about the word algorithm?
No.
No,
Yes, tell me.
I
You can
have.
see on the screen. Algorithm. Agrim, have you heard? Thanmay, have you heard? Samruddhi?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Like if I tell you that you need to go to the school, what are the steps that you're going to do? Samruddhi is going to wake up. She's going to brush her teeth. Then she will have a breakfast, wear her clothes, pack her bag, and take a bus or a car or go by walking towards the school. Correct? So Samruddhi, yes or no? So this is a algorithm. Yes, beta, algorithm is something written in English language. Algorithm is something which is written in English language. It is step by step doing of the work. Are you getting it? Step by step of doing anything is known as an algorithm. So Tanmay, if I tell you what is an algorithm to drink water, what is that? You need to go to the kitchen. You need to take a glass, empty glass. You need to pour some water in it, and then you drink it. Yes. Now, Samriddhi, if I tell you what is the algorithm to study, you need to go to your study table, take your books, correct? You
Yes.
open your books, use your notes pad and make your notes, and then read them again and again and understand them, correct?
Yeah.
So each and everything has an algorithm. So what is an algorithm? An algorithm is basically a general instruction that a person gives in normal English language. So if you tell me that, sir, to solve this problem, you need to go, let's say, 2 times towards the east, then 2 times towards the south, 2 times towards the east, and 2 times towards the south. So this is actually a general set of instructions that you've given. Yes or no? A total general set of instructions. So be careful over here and see this. We can again perform the same activity as it's just identical. 2 times east and 2 times south. Can you see this? 2 times east and 2 times south. And Agrim, the same pattern is repeated how many times? Agrim, how many times is it repeated?
2 times.
2 times. So excellent. Put it inside a big 2. So see, 2 times east, 2 times south, 2 times east, and 2 times south. Is that okay for you all?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this okay? Okay, let us do some first easy one and then we'll go to the challenge one. Oh, can you try this, anyone?
Sir,
This is
I
quite
can
interesting. Yes, please tell me. Tanmay, very good.
6 times south.
6 times towards the south. Okay, so should we take a repeat block, Tanmay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, beta. 6 times towards the south.
And 1 time to the west.
1 time towards the west.
And 5 times towards the north.
And 5 times towards the north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent answer, beta Tanmay. Can someone make it even more small? Agrim and Samruddhi. Do you have any answer that is small? She has taken how many blocks? She has taken 6 blocks. Can you solve it in less than 6? Can any of you solve it in less than 6 blocks? I'll give you 2 minutes to think. Okay, anyone? No. Should I help you all?
Yes, sir.
Samruddhi, should I help you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you ready for the magic? Can
Yeah.
we go south, then go west, and then go east like this? See? South, west, east. And can I do this how many times? See? See over here. South, west, and east 1 time. This is 2 time. This is 3 time. This is 4 time. This is 5 time. This is 6 time. Can I put this all in 6 times? And it's done. I did it in 5 steps. Oh, can you all see that?
Yes,
So
sir.
I
Yes, sir.
completed this in approximately 5 steps over here, you can see. So basically, beta, what actually is coding is that in the word, like when you join this course, what will you study? You will do some of these lessons to try to understand the basics. Then what will you do? You will be making some projects, such as you will make your own games. If I tell you, you will be able to see all these projects that I have made, all these applications that I have made, all these games that I have made, animated movies that I have made, which are available, the super amazing drawings that you can make with the world of coding. Even you can make your own Minecraft game using this. So it is a whole lot of big journey where you will be learning a huge lot of things. But first you need to make your basics strong, correct? So you will be playing with Minecraft. You will be making your own website in this journey. You will be making application, mobile app, your own calculator, your own scorekeeping app. Okay. And not only this, you will be making lots of games, lots of drawings. So it is a full package in which you learn a host lot of things if you join in. Is that okay for all? So basically, what is coding? Coding is actually giving instruction to the computer. And while giving those instruction, what you can make? You can make games, animated movies. You're going to make, let's say, you can make a website. Okay. All these host lot of things can be created with the world of coding. So today was a very short demo class of around 30-35 minutes. But in the lessons to come by, we will be meeting for 1 whole hour. And we will be learning about the various aspects of coding. So I hope to see you in the coding journey, Agrim. Samruddhi, are you able to hear me? Yes? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts, Beta Agrim? You want to ask something related to coding, what you will learn? Or Agrim, you want to ask? Or Tanmi, you want to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. So in this journey, we will take around 5-6 classes approximately to learn these basics of solving a puzzle. So our mind becomes sharp. And after that, we will start with making the drawing first, then the animated movie, then the games, and then the website. So I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, have a nice day. God bless you all. And thank you for joining in. A thumbs up for everyone. Thank you.